Hello friends, here I am again with an interesting and informative video. This video is about Afghanistan, the pre-Mujahideen Afghanistan of 1979. It may be called a classic propaganda videos of the socialist and the communist, but it also shows uh, in a historical perspective that uh, Afghanistan was uh, at that time. So the main feature of this video is the military parade on the first anniversary of what they call the Saur revolution. Uh, so uh, and the leader of this revolution is called Noor Muhammad Taraki, and who also gives the speech before the military parade. It is said that Hafiz Amin deposed him, and he was Hafiz Amin was educated in Columbia University, USA. So the revolutionaries thought that he was having more inclined to the US. So there was a revolt within that. So here he starts his speech, and the English translation of this speech is: In the name of God, the All Graceful, the All Merciful, I congratulate my fellow countrymen, gallant soldiers, my Pashtun and Baloch brothers, and workers of Asia, Africa, Europe, and America on the first birthday of Saur Revolution. The Saur Revolution is not limited to the workers and soldiers of Afghanistan. It is the revolution of workers and oppressed masses of the world. This revolution, which was carried out by armed soldiers under the leadership of Halq Party, is a great success and a victory for the workers all over the world. The Great October Revolution of 1917 shook the whole world. That revolution is a source of guidance and inspiration for our revolution, which once again has begun to shake the planet. So it was a traditional victory speech on the first anniversary of their revolution. I am also not muting the original soundtrack of this video so that you can have better audio effects in the video. So the speech is ended, and now the military parade starts. You can see the various Soviet weapon systems. Even the weapons the soldiers are carrying is the Soviet Kalashnikov, and they are, you will see, they are marching in the Soviet style. So it was a classic revolution in a third world country where armed forces are the most organized institutions. So this you can say overthrow of the monarchy was from within the ranks of the armed forces, which were trained at that time by USSR. So it was practiced by USSR and USA, both in the Cold War. You can see the Soviet style parade of the soldiers. And the women soldiers And the aircrafts, most probably MiG-23 or MiG-27. Then the helicopter, this Mi-17 helicopter. And the gunship helicopter, the Mi-24-25 series. Then the soldiers are mounted on the trucks. And the tanks most probably seem to be T-54, T-55 series of the Soviet Union. These are the APCs, most probably BTR series. This seems to be some representative from India, a Sikh officer. Then these are anti-tank guided weapons, missiles. These are surface-to-air missiles, SA-2. These are propaganda pamphlets dropped from the helicopter. Before the SA-2s, SA-3s were also raided. Now the end of the military parade, or the, you can say, flota, and people marching, floats and people marching, celebrating the revolution. Whatever the ideology, Afghanistan seems to have suffered from the, you can say, as most of other regions in the world suffered at that time from the, you can say, from the politics of the Cold War wars. Sometime one of them sponsors one segment of the society and another sponsor another, and in the end the people of that area suffers and they are massacred, and their generations cannot even have basic necessities of life because of warfare. That's all for today. I am leaving you with its ending part of the video. I hope you enjoy it as a historical video also. Take care.